Island 10 to 60 nautical miles. Coastal waters from Cape Flattery to James Island out 10 nautical miles until 12:15 p.m. Pacific Standard Time. At 11:22 a.m. Pacific Standard Time, a severe thunderstorm capable of producing waterspouts was located 20 nautical miles west of James Island, moving northeast at 35 knots. Hazard: waterspouts, wind gusts to 40 knots, and small hail. Source: radar. Impacts: waterspouts can easily overturn boats. Small craft could be damaged and briefly higher winds and suddenly higher waves. Thunderstorm will remain over mainly open waters. Thunderstorms can produce sudden waterspouts. Waterspouts can easily overturn boats and create local air. Safe harbor immediately. Reports of the weather to the Coast Guard or the National Weather Service. Repeating, a special marine warning has been issued until 12:15 p.m. Pacific Standard Time for the following marine locations: coastal waters from Cape Flattery to James Island out 10 nautical miles, and coastal waters from Cape Flattery to James Island 10 to 60 nautical miles.
Are you dumping them over that wood?
What was that, man?
These